Hello everyone, welcome to another video with beautiful craft. So in this video we're gonna show you very beautiful and amazing ideas of burlap and jute craft session. Today we are diving into the world of jute and burlap craft, the perfect materials to bring a warm, rustic and eco-friendly charm to your Xmas and holiday decoration. Jute and burlap are not only budget friendly but they are also sustainable and versatile. With just a little imagination, you can transform these simple fabrics into stunning holiday decor pieces for your home events or even gifts. Ideas number 1: Jute craft wreath, jute Xmas wreath, door wreath, wall hanging wreath. Start by wrapping a foam of cardboard ring with burlap strips. Add pine cones, cinnamon sticks, small ornaments, or even fairy lights. This gives you a warm and cozy holiday wreath that looks elegant on your front door. Burlap gift bags are wrapping. Forget the shiny non-recyclable wrapping paper. Instead, make small pouches from burlap fabric. Tie them up with a jute string, add a sprig of pine or a red ribbon, and you have got a charming rustic gift wrap. Jute bottle decor. Turn empty glass bottles into rustic candle holders or vases by wrapping them with jute rope. Add lace, bells, or painted snowflakes for a festive touch. These make beautiful centerpiece for Xmas dinner and holiday event. Hope you understand these type of ideas and hope you like the videos and collection. We try to give you the best and beautiful ideas for our viewers, and we brings a rustic touch in this season. So what do you feel about that? Do you think this is really helpful ideas? And we are trying to best of best collection for our viewers. So viewers, hope you enjoy all ideas and designs, and these tips gonna help you so much. Crafting is a very beautiful thing for release your stress. Science proof that if you focused on something and make something this type of things and create something, your stress hormones will release, and it will gonna help you to make something and different stylish things for your home, for your centerpiece, for your office, wherever you are want to take it. So make something unique and extraordinary and show to the world you can do many things like that. If you're doing this type of craft, show your craft on social media platform. It will gonna help your business. You can create your own brand if your brand is powerful. So don't take your craft so much easy. It would be a powerful brand, and you can earn from it. Post the story behind that on social media and watch the response. If your craft is powerful, you will definitely get views, likes, and subscriber. So if you like the videos, you like the tips, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And we are trying to bring the best and beautiful design for our viewers. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day, and leave your comment in the comment section, and we will try to upload best and beautiful designs for our viewers and subscriber. May your home fulfill with craft happiness. Spread happiness as much as you can. The more you give, the more you have. If you want to watch more burlap craft things like this, follow for more. This video gonna help you with the best and beautiful ideas. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. We will try to upload more and more designs for our viewers. Your opinion is very special for me. So leave your comment. Write your opinion in the comment section. God bless you all. Have a very nice and beautiful holiday. Stay blessed. Keep watching my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It is the very beautiful jute craft. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed for your life. May your life fulfilled with happiness and charming. Keep crafting. Keep decorating something. It's a piece of your mind. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share. Stay blessed. Bless you all.